Hello, my friends. So in today's video, I want to talk about Profitalize. Profitalize is our new course platform as an extension of our emoneypeeps.com blog. We offer a free course through emoneypeeps, or you may find Profitalize through some other means, but Profitalize is our free course where you can learn what we do to make multiple six-figure incomes online. We have done it through many business opportunities and affiliate programs, and we always do the same things, and that's why we always get the results that we do, because we've been doing this stuff a very, very long time, and we know what works and what doesn't. For most struggling marketers or affiliate marketers that are trying to build a business, a lot of times the biggest thing that hinders their success is they never learn how to build a web presence and a platform to spin off all their content and everything they do. Instead, they get caught up in the affiliate program or the biz op that they're promoting, and they don't build their own website. They don't have a blog. They don't know what it means to build a web presence online. They just constantly promote their affiliate links only, and they don't understand content production. And that's the wrong way to do it, and why most people are not successful, because they're not actually building something like the Three Little Pigs. I'll huff and puff and blow your house down. And the only house that was standing was the one that was built, you know, out of brick. It's no different in online marketing. Is you have to build your house, your web presence out of brick, because otherwise it doesn't stand a chance of making any real money. So we launched Profitalize to help people build out a complete web presence. And we're actually going to walk you through it step by step, meaning we're going to walk you through how to set up your domain name, how to choose a domain name, how to build your website, how to set up a domain level email address so that your emails actually reach the inbox, how to market said website, how to choose a niche, how to find good affiliate programs. We're going to teach you everything that we do step by step, over the shoulder. Watch our videos, and we're going to give it to you all in one platform, which is called Profitalize. You're going to get access to our community and the step-by-step instructions on one platform, and you can join for free. So right now, as you see on my screen, I'm on Profitalize.com. And what you'll notice is right at the top here, right here in this center section, in a way, is Get Started Now for free. So I'm already logged into Profitalize, and what I want to show you is the back office. When you go to get started for free, what's going to happen is you're going to be brought to a page like this, where this isn't going to cost you anything. You're going to put in an email address, some information here. I'm already logged in, so some of this information is missing, and you click on sign up for free. That information that you put in there for your login details, you're going to use to access your course, your training with us, and you're going to use that same information to access our community, because it's now all on one platform. So when you log into Profitalize, you'll actually be connected to our community as well. So I'm already logged in, so I'm just going to click on this community tab here. And what it's going to do is bring me to your dashboard, which you could scroll down here, and you start right now. Access now your Profitalize starter kit, which is, we're going to go through the complete setup of how you build a profitable business online, step by step. Our course and community is free. There may be tools and products in here that you will want to buy to build your business, because web hosting costs money. There are certain things that do cost money, and they're not going to break the bank, but you got to be able to invest into your business to build a successful business, because without a web presence, you will never be successful online like in a big way. You never will be. I learned this the hard way. My first almost 3 years online, I made no money because number one, I didn't have a website, my own. Number two, I never built my email list. Didn't even fathom the thought. All I did is run around promoting affiliate links everywhere I could, and that didn't work. I made no sales in literally almost 3 years. And then once I started doing the right things, I started making sales every single day. And to this day, that's how we make 98% of all our sales, is because we have a web presence, we build our email list, we content market, and everything that goes along with what all successful marketers do. They have a web presence. So once you're in this back office, and like how I clicked on community, over in this left hand side, you're going to see start a community down here in the left hand side. You would click on that, and in here you can come here and create your first post. Once you join for free, come in here and say hello. You know what I mean? Just come in here and say hello. Say, hey, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to building my own business and learning blah blah blah. This is my past experience. Just or something even short like, hello, hey, I'm excited to be here. Anything. Come post in here. And then of course, after that, you go to your back office and you follow the training, which is you're going to have access to the Profitalize Starter Kit, which is going to help you now build out your complete web presence online. And so you follow each one of those videos one by one. Anytime you get stuck, need help, you come over here in this left-hand menu or from this menu up here, and you click on Starter Kit Community, and you click on it in this left-hand menu, and you go back to the community, and you can create a post just clicking on this button, and you can ask anything you want so we can help you. You're not going to be building this by yourself. And that's why we chose this platform, because everything is right here together. Um, every membership site, every back office can be a little bit wonky, learning the navigation of things. And that's the biggest thing, is don't be afraid to click on stuff. Just click on what you see and you will navigate your way around. And you always have the back office tab up here if you're logged in. And sometimes you may have to log into the community, but it's the same login that you use to sign up to Profitalize. Same thing. So underneath this video, I'm going to leave a link to opt in to the Profitalize newsletter, and you'll be brought to a page where you click a link. This will be uh, the opt-in page you will see. You'll come to this page right here and watch Johnny's video. In fact, watch this video, and then just click on join for free now, and you'll be brought to this page where you'll put in some information and click sign up for free, and then you'll be automatically logged in. We'll send you a couple of emails, and you'll be on your way to joining our community and following along with everything that we are doing. And rest assured, we've been doing this stuff for now almost 30 plus years combined marketing experience between me and my son. We do not work 9 to 5 jobs. We've been doing this stuff, uh, in the comfort of our own home for many years now. And so can you when you follow a proven path. You do the right things that work online to market any product or service. Doesn't matter what you're involved in already. Our setup and community can help you to build that out so that you are profitable. And that's what Profitalize. My son came up with that name, by the way, but it is a tongue twister. Why that is the title of our course is because that's what we want to build with you. So other than that, my friends, there'll be a link in the description. Click on it, get signed up, join our community, come in here and say hello and start following the steps, and we will be here to help guide, point, and direct you the entire way. Other than that, my friends, have a great day, and we will see you on another video.